Sir. Sir. Sir.
Kill him right now.
Sir.
Masid.
Yes, කියන්න.
නෑ.
Masid.
එයාගේ ඉදුවේ.
Bakar Jakas. Mas.
Excuse me, sir.
පන්තිය පටන් ගත්තද?
X.
අයියා ආයුෂ් message type කරන්න බැරුව නිකන් ඉන්න බැරිද?
එතන අල්ට පොඩි මොලේ
පාඩයකින් පස්සේ නෑ.
Right. Activity 6.13. Very simple activity you can do in your homes. Okay. So you will need for this activity 6 equal glasses, a spoon and water. Method: take 6 equal glasses and put different amounts of water as shown in the figure. Now look at this figure, you can see there are different levels of water in each. Strike each glass with a spoon in ascending and descending orders. ලස්සන මෙහෙම තට්ටු කරනකොට එක එක sounds අපිට ඇහෙනවා පුතේ. හරිද? Next one, activity 6.14. Let us make a xylophone. මොකද්ද මේ xylophone කියන්නේ? Pieces of metal pipes with 1.5 centimeters diameter, thin wooden plank, glue, a pair of scissors and sellotape. Follow this method to make this xylophone. Cut out the pieces of metal pipes as shown in the figure: 17 centimeters, 15 centimeters, 13, 11, 9 and 7. Then paste cylinders on a wooden plank which has 5 centimeters width and 20 centimeters length as shown in the figure. Then takes 2 sticks and tap the cylinders rhythmically. මේවා පුතාලට හදන්න පුළුවන් ගෙවල් වලදී. හරිද? හරිම ලේසි. හරිද? පුළුවන් අය try කරන්න හදන්න. And there is an assignment again. Take 6 wooden planks with a width of 2.5 centimeters as shown in activity 6.14. Cut them according to the sizes in activity 6.14 as shown in the diagram. Keep 2 strips of cloth in the 2 pieces at wooden and nail wooden planks on it. Then take 2 sticks and play it to a rhythm. Assignment 6.6. So read this assignment. Make any amount of equipments that can produce sound. Play the instruments with friends in the class and perform a musical band in the class. දැන් අපිට මේක කරන්න දැන් ක්ලාස් එකේ පුතාලා නැති හින්දා බෑන්ඩ් එක අපිට ප්ලේ කරන වැඩේ ඉතින් කරන්න බෑ. නමුත් ඔයගොල්ලෝ ගෙදරදී පුළුවන් බෑන්ඩ් එකක් විදිහට මේක කරන්න. හරිද? මෙතුළට කම්මැලිද? හරි. හරි. සමහර ඈනුන් අරිනවා උදේ පාන්දර මේ අද පරක්කුත් වෙලා පටන් ගත්තේ. අයියෝ. ඉස්කෝලේ ආව නම් හොඳයි වගේ නේ. හරි. ඊළඟට. Listening to loud sound is a disturbance. පිට ගොඩක් අපහසුයි මේ ගොඩාක් සද්ද වැඩි sounds වලට අහුම්කම් දෙන්න. Those sounds are also disturbance to others. ඒක අතොත් අපි high end සින්දු අහනවා නම් එහෙම වටපිටාවේ මිනිස්සුන්ටත් ඒක කරදරයි. So we must use television, radio, loudspeakers and other equipments without disturbing others. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි radio එකක්, television එකක්, sound speakers පාවිච්චි කරනවා නම් Bluetooth speaker එකක් හරි පාවිච්චි කරනවා අනිත් අයට කරදරයක් නොවෙන්න අපි පාවිච්චි කරන්න ඕන පුතේ. without disturbing others. By using ear protectors, we can protect our ears from loud noises. ඔය දැකලා සමහර ඔය එක එක වැඩ කරන අය ලොකු ඔය මේ ගත්තොත් sounds මේ කියන්නේ produce වෙන ලොකු sound noises එන තැන් වල වැඩ කරන අය මෙන්න මේ විදිහට මේ මෙන්න මේ වගේ equipments පාවිච්චි කරන ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ කන් වහ ගන්න. ඒගොල්ලන්ට මේ වටේ තියෙන ලොකු ශබ්ද වලට අහුම්කම් දෙන්න මේ පුළුවන් වෙනවා කන් වලට කිසිම හානියක් නොවි. Okay. Now the summary. We can hear different types of sound when we are in the environment. So we are in the environment, we can hear different types of sound. Sound of wind, sound of birds, animals, rain. Ear is the sense organ that helps hearing. So our ear is the sense organ that helps to hear. Sound is produced by sources of sounds. Sound is produced by vibrations. The sound sung or played rhythmically is known as music. Unrhythmic sound is known as noise. Musical instruments can be classified into many groups according to the way they produce sounds. Loud noises are harmful for our ears. It is our duty and responsibility to use sounds without disturbing others. අනිත් අයට කරදරයක් නොවි disturb එකක් නොවි මේ අනිත් අයට මේ sound පාවිච්චි කරන එක තමයි අපි කරන්නේ. Okay. Now we have to do this activity exercise. Fill in the blanks with the given word. So I will give you 5 minutes to do this activity. Now you can do this activity. Take a pencil and fill in the blanks. Take a pencil and fill in the blanks in your textbooks. Okay. I give you 5 minutes. Okay. So now I'm going to discuss this activity, filling the blanks with the given words. Sound is produced by vibrations of an object. Objects that produce sound are known as sources of sound. Ear is an organ which is sense to sounds. Rhythmic sounds are sensitive to sounds. Rhythmic sounds are known as music, and unrhythmic sounds are known as noise. By hearing loud noises, ear can be get affected. It is our duty to use sounds without disturbing others. මේක ඔයගලන්ට මෙතනින් type කරලාම පෙන්නන්නම්. එතකොට ඔයගලන්ට පැහැදිලි. Sound produced by now. Question number 2. If the following sentences are true, put right. If wrong, put wrong with brackets. Earlobes helps to direct sound to the ear. Yes, right. True. It is true. The sound of a tabla is produced in the same way as in violin. False. The sound of a flute is produced in the same way as in a trumpet. True. Most of the time, rhythmic sounds are not disturbance to the ear. True. It is suitable for people who work in places of loud noises to wear ear protectors. True. So these are the answers. Right. Okay. I hope today's lesson is clear to you. So I'm going to end the lesson. God bless you. God bless you.
God bless you, sir.
God bless you, sir. Thank you.
Bless you, sir.
God bless you,
You,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bless you, sir.
Bless you.